If you're frustrated with always seeing your credit score below what you need to actually do anything, I'm going to show you how I was able to go up over 60 points in only 3 months using Koho's credit building platform. Hey everyone, Dylan here with straight to the point reviews, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing the Koho credit building platform. Now with the Koho credit building platform, I was able to go up over 60 points in only a few months, taking my credit score from 550 to over 600 in just a few months. Now, the best thing about this is if you use the link in the description below and you deposit $50 into the Koho account, you'll get 4 months of free everything plan. Now, a bonus on the everything plan is you're going to get a discount on the actual Koho credit building. And this is going to just automatically start to grow your credit. It's going to give you a live feed of what your actual credit score is, which is going to allow you to see the progress. And it also has some other tools like rent reporting and its own credit utilization program, where you can take $5 to $20 to $100, add it into their program. You'll get the money back later, but what they're going to do is they're going to use that money as a type of credit builder. So when you spend money, they're going to pay it back quickly, and that's going to help grow your credit. Now, normally with the everything plan, it's going to cost you $19 per month, but you're going to get 2% cash back on all of your spending that matters, like gas and all of your essentials like groceries. And you're going to get a 5% interest boost on your entire balance. So the money that you save, the money that you store in the vault, anything like that, you're going to get 5% back, and you're going to get a 50% bonus or a 50% off for the building your credit package. Now, by using the link in the description below and signing up for Koho and depositing $50, this everything plan is going to give you 2% cash back on groceries, eating, drinking, and transportation. It's going to give you 0.5% cash back on every purchase that you make using your Koho card. You're going to get 5% interest on your entire balance, and you're going to get credit building for $5 a month instead of $10 a month. Okay, you're going to get free credit score so that you can see your credit grow in front of your eyes. Every single month they're going to give you an updated score, and you're going to get instant e-transfers, unlimited transactions, no foreign transaction fees, and up to 5% cash back at other selected merchants, and up to $100,000 of your money earning interest is protected by the CDIC. Okay, so if we just take a quick second to look at the different packages here, so you can get started for free. You can do 0 per month, but you're only going to get 1% cash back. You're still going to get the 5% interest, and you're still going to get the free credit scores, but you're not going to get the discount on the credit building. So the extra plan has a 30% off on the extra or on the credit building, and a 50% off on the credit building on the everything plan. And by using the link in the description below and depositing just $50 into your account, you're going to get the everything plan for free for a couple months. All right, so with the Koho credit building, every user has seen their scores rise by 22 points after 3 months. Now, we've actually been able to see it grow 60 points in 3 months, which is very, very insane. Now, building credit can save you money. Credit scores 579 to 740. Interest rates go from 47% all the way to 15%. So you save a total of $2,840 just by taking a loan out of $15,000 for 12 months, having a credit score of 740. Now, why do you want to use Koho credit building? All right, they have the credit bureau and Equifax. They have financial coaching, which is available through their app. It's affordable at a $5 fee, which again, you're going to get 4 months of the everything plan absolutely free. So you don't even have to worry about that. This bank is going to cost you $5 a month for 4 months. And in those 4 months, you could see your credit score go up by over 60 points, okay? So that could be game changing. Even if you cancel after those 4 months, you don't want to pay the everything plan, you just build your credit. But I mean, once you see the power and once you see this actually grow your credit like it has for me, then you are going to be on Koho for life. I'm telling you this. So how the credit building works on Koho. So they're going to start building your credit history with ease by opening a Koho line of credit separate from your balance. We'll set it aside and an amount from your line of credit each month, reporting it as on-time payment to Equifax. It's simple, safe, and secure. Now, before we finish this video, I just want to go over the partners that Koho has, so that these are some of the places where you can get up to 5% and sometimes even more by booking and using their services online. So as you see here, there's booking.com, Crocs, Expedia, Foot Locker, Macy's, all sorts of other programs as well. There's tons more on the app. So if you download Koho through the link in the description below and set your account up, you'll be able to see all of the partners where you can get cash back. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure hit that subscribe button down below for more straight to the point reviews. My name's Dylan, and thank you for staying by. Click here for another video from the channel.